everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how to play Driver's License by Olivia Rodrigo on the keyboard. I'm first going to show you how verse 1 sounds, and then I will go through each individual line, and I will do that for every verse until we've learnt the whole song. So this is verse 1 to start, and I really hope you enjoy the video. So the first line of verse 1 is, which is D, E, G, G, F, E, D, D, A. So again that is. The second line is, which is D, E, G, G, F, E, F, E. So again that is. The next line is, which is D, E, G, G, F, E, D, D, A. And the next line is D, E, G, G, F, E, F, E. The next line is D, C, A, C, A, C, C, A, C, A. And the final line of verse 1 is E, D, C, E, D, C, A. So that is verse 1, and now let's play it again. The next part to play is verse 2, and this is how it sounds. The first line of verse 2 is, which is C, D, E, G, G, F, E, D, C. The next line is D, E, G, 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 A, E. The next line is D, E, G, G, F, E, D. The next line is D, E, G, 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 A, G, F, E. The next line is D, A, C, A, C, C, A, C, A. And the final line of verse 2 is D, E, D, C, E, D, E, D, C. that's verse 2, let's play it again. The next part to play is the chorus, and this is how it sounds. The first line of the chorus is which is G, 4 A's, B, 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 4 C's, D, E, D, C, A, G. The next sign is which is 5 A's, 4 B's, 3 C's, E, D, E, D, C, E, E. So again that is the next sign is C, E, D, C, E, D, C, E, D, C, E, D, C, C, A. And the final line of the chorus is which is A, C, G, 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 and then we're going down to E, D, E, E, D, E, D, C, C. So that is the chorus. Let's play it again. The next part to learn is verse 3. This is how it sounds. So the first line of verse 3 is which is D, E, G, G, F, E, D, C, D, G, E, G, E, G, A, E, D, C. So again that is the next line is which is D, E, G, 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 F, E, D, E, G, E, G, G, E, G, G, E, again that is. The next line is A, C, A, C, C, A, D, E. And the final line is D, E, 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 F, E, D, C, C. So that is verse 3. Let's play it again. After verse 3, you can play the chorus again, and then it is the bridge, and this is how it sounds. The first line of the bridge is which is E, C, E, C, E, E, C, F, E, C, D, E, C, E, C. The next line is which is E, E, C, F, E, C, D, E, A, G, E, A, G. The next line is C, E, E, C, C, E, C, A, G. The next line is very similar to the first line. It is E, C, E, C, E, E, C, F, E, C, D, E, C, E, E, C. The next line is E, E, C, F, E, C, D, E, A, G, E, A, G. And the final line is C, E, E, C, C, E, C, A, G. So that is the bridge. Let's play it again. bridge, you can play the chorus once more, and that's everything for this song. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it useful, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up or a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.